Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to another edition of the Supreme Ventures SV Games Spoiler Alert. Woo! So people, we are now at the penultimate episode of Game of Thrones. We have one more episode left before Game of Thrones is just done. Finito, nothing more. We just left like one little dry breadfruit. But henty who, let me jump into the review. My cash pot. So the episode starts off with Varys. I write one letter to I don't know who, mentioning that Jon is the rightful heir to the throne. Then right after that, one little servant girl step in and say this.
She won't eat.
So same time I bust a fat skull. No sir! So I put 2 and 2 together and I start. I said, no man, it look like say Varys did a try for poison Dany.
Wow.
Turtleneck. So Dany put 2 and 2 together and then orders Varys to be executed. The man yeah them start to swell up and look like Humpty Dumpty before he had the great fall.
Lord Varys.
Then bam, the man turned coffee. My word, so bootleg Jay-Z and Beyonce meet up. So same time now, Dany up in her feelings now and step to Jon Snow for like a TLC. And the brother just die on a rassad. Box cover, so it is time for the big battle. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's...
Who's that Pokemon?
Drogon! Me only see Drogon pierce through the sky and just shell down the whole of Euron fleet them. Then the Unsullied run in. You said this brother is legit me running away from my responsibilities a week time. People legit are dead left, right and center. When Vegas did say hot walk, it was the nearest Hygerian career path he was mentioning. To get word say she'll lose the war, but no, my girl, she's stubborn like one outdated pressure cooker.
They will defend their queen to the last man.
Basically, in a one way, it's like she did I say.
Of course we're going. I look like a loser to you.
Me 5 o'clock draw, so the Golden Army surrender. Then me hear the bell ring. But it's like said Dany they just up there and knows she have Glacier Robinson on her playlist next. Because it was definitely not over.
But it's not over now.
The way out Dany did a go and bad up in a King's Landing, down to Cape Town would I tell her say, cool it down. So the army them start to realize say it look like say a time them just resume the war. And there was Jon Snow just up there, turn up and a look round like say if they play stuck and pull and they need somebody to unstuck him. Oh look! So the two mates them buck up and start for war over Cersei. And in the end, Jaime end up killing Euron.
I'm the man who killed Jaime Lannister.
Then the epic battle between the Hound and his brother, the Mountain. No, you see when the brother take off his face mask. Oh! I'm glad the fight, me see the Mountain lift up the Hound, having 2 fingers them sink in the Hound. I them I'ma feel every bit of pain. Gone like Cain and Abel. So Jaime and Cersei reunite.
Don't let me die.
So them end up get cornered in one building and then out of nowhere, dirty evil Cersei and Jaime decide so them want to audition for Titanic as Jack and Rose.
Not like this. Not like this. Not like this. Look me in the eye. Don't look away. Don't look. Look at me.
Not yet. Do you understand me?
I'm so cold.
Listen, Rose.
Wait, no, wait there. I saw you gonna just wipe out Cersei and Jaime. That is how you gonna make them dead Game of Thrones? No. Nope. Directors, writers, don't look for me. No, tell me say, this is the director's cut and not the version where they make for the public.
I have to apologize.
No man, and that is the death we give her. Me did want Cersei face like grind up in a one blender. Like, you can't give Cersei that. Me want a refund. Me need a refund for this. Me never bother want to talk about the rest of the show. You know what? That's that. Let me know what they thought about Cersei's dead people. Let me know. Comment down below. Let me know if you think that this episode never have the little thrill where they want it to have. Me still rate Game of Thrones, you know. But me just Cersei, no. No. You know what? Let's me go and actually talk about the spoiler alert submissions for this week. Whoa! So we got a lot of submissions this week, so big up the Burritos them for leaving over about 30 or 40 submissions, and I narrowed it down to some of my favorites, and I'm going to announce the winner. Now, as you know, the spoiler alert competition is powered by SV Games Supreme Ventures. Please make sure you say download the SV Games app. The app is where you can get for, play all of your favorite games like Cashback, Cashpot, the Lotto, Pick 3, Pick 2, all of them fun games there. You don't have to walk and go in at the little shop on the roadside. You can actually do it from the comfort of your home once you download the SV Games app. So now, let me go mention the first prize winner. I'm going to just give this as a random prize to somebody on Twitter. So I'm just going to give a random prize to King_Tavi, and it said that I think that Jaime will be captured by Daenerys and Tyrion will free him. I think that Daenerys will burn Euron's fleet and the Red Keep. I also think that the Golden Company would side with Jon because he is Aegon Targaryen. Civil Gotsa. Alright, thank you for your submission, and just like that, you are the random prize winner for this week, King Tavi. And the penultimate winner of the spoiler alert competition powered by SV Games is, let me hear the Lotto drum roll. Island Smiley! Woo! Congratulations, Island Smiley. You are the penultimate winner of the spoiler alert competition powered by SV Games. Now, let me share what was her prediction for Sunday's episode. So it reads, setting up for the Clash of Queens, Jon will reach King's Landing. Arya and Jaime are on their way to Verde, if yet already there. More people will learn about Jon Snow's names because of Varys, but Varys will die in episode 5. We will see Cersei use wildfire. Daenerys will work out with Jon about his claim to the throne, but I don't see them coming out the episode as a couple. The Hound and his brother will have a one-on-one battle. Euron will start losing his battlefield and Yara Goodly take him out if he retreats. Hopefully he flees because he knows the child isn't his. Cersei's child will not be born. Jaime Goodly strangle Cersei. Tyrion's importance will come to light after the war is won. So congratulations, Island Smiley. This is what you have won for yourself. You're going to win an awesome party package courtesy of Supreme Ventures SV Games, filled with cool Game of Thrones memorabilia, as well as wings, wine, seasoned fries, and a whole host of other surprises. Courtesy of Mail Pack Local and SV Games Supreme Ventures Limited. So people, we only have one more episode left of Game of Thrones. That is episode 6. So now that means we only have one more review, one more spoiler alert powered by SV Games video left. So this is now going to the grand prize winner. So here what I want you to do. I want you guys, all of you out there, to let me know on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube, anywhere when you can contact me, as long as you have the hashtag CivilGotsa. Let me know what you think is going to happen in the season finale. Because you say, if you win, no, and a regular prize you get the grand total prize. You get the ultimate party package. Make you can host your own Game of Thrones viewing party wherever you see it fit for you and your friend them get around and watch the final episode of Game of Thrones. So let me know what you think, looking at your little crystal ball, and let me know right down below. If you're on the live right now, just leave a comment on the video, underneath the video with the hashtag CivilGotsa, and also to download the app, letting me know what you think is going to happen in the season finale. Because we have a whole heap of questions we need answered. Because clearly we see how Dany developed into a little mad queen. You want to know if Jon will actually get some guts and actually defend the throne. Wagagwan, people are dead, somebody else more dead, but let's just see. Wagaham to Arya, will she kill somebody else? Let me know, share predictions so you can win the ultimate prize. Well, that is it, people. Thank you so much for supporting the spoiler alert competition so far. Thank you so much for your submissions, and please make sure you say download the SV Games app. Take care until next week. Get to no rest because you know Sunday night coming. It not gonna normal. It is going to shell. Peace out.